Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you see Instagram send follow request and how can you cancel them on new update. So after the new update you can just download the information and check if there is any send follow request or not, or you can just cancel them. So for that just launch Instagram and click the bottom right your profile icon. Now click the top right the three dash icon and click on the third option your activity. Scroll down and click on the last option download your information. Now click on this option your information and permissions. Click on second option download your information. Now click on request a download. After clicking that just select Instagram and click the bottom next. Now you can just select the types of information, click on this second option. Now all you need to do is just scroll down and select followers and following. Click on this option and click the bottom next. Now the first option here is notify. Just click on here and give your email. After that in the format option you can just select the format of your file, JSON or HTML. Now click on media quality to select the media quality from low to high. And click on date range to select the date range between all time and last week, or you can just custom it by clicking edit and select the date between two dates and click the bottom save, and again click on submit request, the blue one. After submitting request you can see an option like download, and after clicking download you need to just give your Instagram password, and after giving your password you can just download a PDF file, and in that PDF file you will see an option like followers and following. You can just select that followers and following option and you will see another option pending following request, and in that option you can just find who requested you and you can just cancel them. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you find this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.